Hello guys, today we are going to see how to install and configure Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so for this you need one CentOS machine. In any machine you can like in any machine Windows, Linux or any Linux you can configure Jupyter Notebook. In this demo we are going to see we are going to use CentOS. Okay, CentOS 7. So I'll show you. This is I have to SSH first. SSH CentOS, copy, copy, paste. Okay, so second thing is be the root user. So root. So I have already created script. So you need binzip for this first. Hyphen y is done. Second thing is you need to create one Jupyter user. Add into password, sudo air password. Done. Then switch user with Jupyter. Now you have to go to home directory, see pwd in Jupyter, and now here you have to create one notebook. Okay, see notebook. After this you have to download Jupyter sh file using curl. Yeah, and wget you can use. It's done. After this just start it using bash. We will download all packages. Just enter, press enter. It will show you all notice and all those things. Just type yes. It will press enter to confirm. Enter. Starting. Installing Python 3.5.2 and all related libraries. No worry, I'll put this script and all commands into my website. You can find uh, you can get all commands from my website. I'll put web link in description. You can find web link is in description. You have to wait. So you can create your Python notebook. All Python code you can run using notebook, and it's very awesome tool. Like UI tool, you will see all everything, and it's very good tool. I saw it's very good tool, so it will very helpful for you. Let it install. In this demo we are going to see this one. In last video just check out Py, mm, I have created one tutor pipeline, Kafka pipeline, using Python, and I'm getting tweets from tutor. So it's very good exercise. Just check out that video. After that, I'll create one more video to get that tweet into our database. I'll use MySQL database, and will you visualize that tweets into one web page, so you'll get better idea. We'll add this path later on. Okay, export it. So it's done. Now go to bin. Wait, go to bin and see it's now if we'll generate this, it will work. But first export this, because I will show you what is the problem. If you'll type Jupyter here, it won't work, command won't found, so you have to export this. Go to will vi profile. It is a profile, and at the end just export. We'll put uh, this one. Oops, I need to, my bad, need be sudo user and then edit. Oops. Okay, just source it. Now you can access Jupyter, right? So Jupyter is done. Now what we'll do, we'll generate config file again. Oops, should be Jupyter user, and after that you have to okay. Now generate config file. Yes, generated. Now vi this file and search local host. You'll find localhost over here IP, notebook IP. You have to provide your IP address here or host name. Okay, this is our IP. Paste it here and remove. Now we are done. Now next thing is this one is done. Now vi is also done. Now we'll start it, right? So how to start? Okay, pwd Jupyter home, here, and with root we'll start it. First we'll start with without no hub, sudo okay. Now we'll start it. Okay, starting. Now go to browser. Let's just check with. We are done. So you'll see this Jupyter uh, uh, home directory here, all these files. So if you want different directory, so you can change it to file. So here you can create your notebook from here, uh, and I will show you how to create notebook. See, this is the notebook. In a previous video I showed you how to run notebook with that tutor code, right? So here if you want, so you can write your Python code here. Hello, Amir. So if you want to run it all, done. So it's very easy. Here you can write all your code. You can download as a Python notebook, any file. Okay, it's a very good tool. So just do some hands-on. We'll also do some hands-on, because in after this we are going to create one we are going to fetch tutor data and uh, uh, push into MySQL database. Okay, so it's done. So using no hub you can run it. Just do this thing. Yes, this stop it. Now it's stopped. See, it's stopped. Now using no hub, try run it. So it will go into background. It will go into background. Hope you understand this. You can see this thing over here. See, this thing is showing, right? From where you run this command. So cool. We are good to go. So you can create your notebook here. You can upload your Python file, notebook file from here. I will show you one file which we created. Where it is? Okay, it is in all. This one. Upload it. Just open it. See, this is the notebook. So you can comment it easily, right? This is the one by one you can write, one by one you can run. So now it won't work because we have changed some Kafka thing, so it will throw an error, broker error, these things. So we need to install these things. So I will show you how to install it. These two libraries we need to install. Where it is? Okay, here. These two libraries we need to install into our Linux system, so it will work. So hope you enjoy this video. I will put this into my website. Just go through. Okay, thank you very much.